Hello and welcome to my video all about how to make a crochet chain with your hands. This video is mainly aimed at knitters and other crafters who might need to make a crochet chain for a project but don't own a crochet hook or don't know how to crochet. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is tie a slip knot in your yarn about 6 inches from the end. Then take your thumb and index finger through the loop, grab hold of the working yarn, and then pull it through to make another loop, like so. And then just carry on repeating that step. So take your thumb and finger through the new loop and pull the working yarn through to make another loop, and so on. I personally prefer to hold the slip knot in my left hand and make the loops with my right hand, but you might find it more comfortable to do this the other way round. If the loop at the end gets too big, just pull on the working yarn to make it smaller, like so. If you're planning to knit into this crochet chain, then just make sure you keep it on the looser side to enable you to knit into it more easily. The only thing you really need to keep an eye on is that you don't twist the working yarn as you bring it through the loop. You'll want all of the loops in the chain to look uniform and consistent, so if you spot one that looks different from the others, you'll have to go back and redo it. And to do this, all you would do is pull on the working yarn at the end, and this will undo the crochet chain. This makes it very easy to fix any mistakes. Depending on the project, I like to put a stitch marker on the loop at the end of the chain. This stops it from unravelling, and it also means I can add more loops to the chain if I want to. And now you should have a chain that looks the same all the way along. On the front, you should be able to see little V shapes, and the back should look a bit like chain links, with ovals of yarn and then a little yarn bump in the centre. And that's it, that's how you make a crochet chain without using a crochet hook. I really hope you found this useful and thank you very much for watching.